Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove payment details from your Apple account. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. At the top of the screen, tap on your Apple account name. Next, select Payment and Shipping. If prompted, verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Here, you'll see the payment methods linked to your Apple account. Tap the payment method you want to remove. Now, scroll down and tap Remove Payment Method. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove again to confirm, and the payment method will be removed from your Apple account. If you don't see the option to remove it, you may have an active subscription, unpaid balance, or family sharing purchase sharing enabled. You'll need to resolve those first before removing the payment method. That's it! Your payment details have been removed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.